Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch my latest videos, and this is totally free. Hello guys, welcome to Ambrosia the Divine Food. In today's video, I will show you how to prepare Bhetki Rezala easily. It's an awesome and tasty recipe which you can try with some mishti pulao this Poila Baisakh. So let's get started. I am using boneless fillets here. You can also use with bone pieces. To start with the recipe, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Now add some cardamom pods, 1 inch cinnamon stick, some cloves, bay leaves and dried red chili. Give a mix. Now add half a cup of chopped onion and fry it for a minute. After a minute, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. You can use freshly grated ginger too. Give a mix. Add some salt to taste. Mix all together again. After a minute, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 cup of curd. Beat it well before adding it to the pan, otherwise it will get curdled. Mix well. Now add some water and mix again. Let the gravy come to boil. Now add the fish pieces. Add 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and give a light mix. Now let it cook for 5 minutes covered and don't forget to stir in between. Once the oil has come out from the gravy, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix well. Cover and cook for another 2 minutes. Finally add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of keura water. Give a final mix. Now turn off the flame and cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes before serving. That's it. Bhetki Rezala is ready to be served. Enjoy this awesome delicacy with some mishti pulao this Poila Baisakh. Shubho Noboborsho.